Sometimes you can think usemathandweni kanti urobala nesitha sakho, ulala nesitha sakho. Wawathandana nomuntu okuzondayo, waqhubeka wakuzonda noma usuhlukene naye, usuzama ukuziphikapha, aqhubeke atshengise i-hate, akubhulishe. I was one of the ladies that were bullied by abantu ababethandana nabo. Umuntu wangizwisa ubuhlungu waqhubeka wangibhulisha even sengihlukene naye. This was after the year of ukuhlukana kwami naye lo bhuti. Sengamukelile ukuthi ngiyayikhulisa ingane ngedwa. This is when I actually bought my cell phone. I had to change my wardrobe. I started taking photos. I started, doing things. And yeah, so this other day, I actually took a photo of myself. Was wearing a blouse, pants, and high heels. He was always the first to view my statuses. He was always the first, or he might be here on TikTok viewing these videos because he, before, he will come on TikTok and leave negative comments on my videos, and I blocked him. I mean, he has people who are also here who will actually show him this video. So, I posted a photo of myself. He viewed my status immediately. He posted a photo of a lady who was wearing working overalls, one of those blue or green overalls that you guys wear, that mine workers wear, or should I say industrial workers wear. Just correct me if I'm wrong. He posted a photo of the lady and said, some of us, we are attracted to women who are wearing overalls, not corporate what hands. I check my status, the time he viewed it and the time he posted that. I'm like, and then the first person to view and the first person to get back to me with his status. And at that time, Mina, I was open to us viewing statuses because I used to post our daughter, and there was me opening a room for him to take any photo of ingane yethu whenever he wants it, rather than me sending photos to him. I was like, okay, is this for me? I was like, I'm just overlooking. This other day, because I was in the process of, working on myself, I bought a Clueless wig. I took a photo. My caption was, I love you. That was me appreciating myself, looking where I was coming from and where I am now. And he responded to my status and said, you love yourself or that thing in your head? That is when I knew it's okay. This person hates me. I responded and said, do you hate me that much? Do you really hate me? Like, why would you hate me? Because you are the one who fell out of love. You are the one who brought another woman. You are the one who looked into my eyes on the 8th of January 2023 and you told me that you have fallen in love with another lady. If I still want to come to you, I would, but I should know that there is another woman. Guys, can you believe it? Somebody's son once told me that BS. Mina wonky. And when I think about it now, I'm like, girl, did he really say that to you? Yo, I was bullied, guys. I was bullied. The reason why I'm sharing this now is because I am free from the pain, and I know there is someone out there who might be facing or who might be in a similar situation and they don't know ukuthi bazoqala befike kuphi. Mina guys, ngayifight i-narcissist, ngayifight ngangokuthi angaze ngimnike leyo satisfaction. I grew, ngaba strong, nga-elevator mina guys. Angivumanga ukuthi ngicindezeleke ukuthi nginey'ngane ngisele, angikuvumanga lokho. I worked on myself. I improved at work. I started taking photos. I did me and stayed and remained silent in a way that Yena himself will say, hey, I'm not involved in what, because mina ngihlezi ngivale la, I wait for him to come and talk to me and call me. Ungamniki umuntu leyo satisfaction. I know ukuthi we tend to give them a satisfaction ukuthi bona bayilento abayiyona masase ahead, but when a woman heal from everything, they become unstoppable. Ask me.